Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video we're gonna take a look at how to unlink phone from TikTok without code. So if that sounds helpful, then keep watching this video and let's get started. Firstly, head over to your app of TikTok. Now head over to your profile section and tap on the three lines on the top right. Tap on settings and privacy, tap on account, and again tap on account information. Now you'll see an option of phone number. If you tap on it, you'll have two options, which is change phone number and unlink. If you tap on unlink, you can easily unlink it, but you'll need a code to unlink it, which will be sent to your phone number. So in this case, if you don't have a phone number, you can choose, instead of unlink, you can tap on change phone number. This way you'll again have three options. So if you use your phone number, if you don't have your phone number, you can use either your email address to receive the code, or if you also don't have that, you can use the third option, which is use password. If you tap on that, you'll need to type in the password of your TikTok account and then tap on next. Now you'll have the option to enter in a new phone number. So this way you can enter in the phone number and change the phone number on your TikTok. If you don't have your previous phone number, so you can add in your phone number here, and after you add it, and in case you don't want any of your phone number to be linked to your TikTok, then you can unlink it from TikTok. So enter the phone number that you have with you and you can unlink this afterwards. Now after you change your phone number, you can again come back and tap on phone number and tap on unlink phone. Now tap on continue unlink. Now you can receive the code on the new number that you entered. And there you go, your phone number now has been unlinked from your TikTok account.